Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss advances in MLT MCQs part first. PCR is used to dash option A amplify the gene of interest, option B gene therapy, C gene expression, option D all of these. Correct option is D, all of these. ELISA was introduced in dash option A 1992, option B 1971, option C 1994 and option D 2001. Correct option is B 1971. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. ELISA is typically performed in option A 90 well plates, B 84 well plates, option C 88 well plates and option D 96 well plates. Correct option is D 96 well plates. ELISA is based on option A antigen parasite reaction, B antigen antibody reaction, C antibody viral reaction and option D bacterial viral reaction. Correct option is B antigen antibody reaction. ELISA measure the concentration of antibodies or antigen in option A CSF, B pleural fluid, option C blood and option D synovial fluid. Correct option is C blood. In competitive ELISA, the antibody is incubated with a sample containing option A antibody, B enzyme, C antigen, option D complement. Correct option is C antigen. An enzyme conjugated with an antibody reacts with a colorless substrate to generate option A protein product, B viral product, C color product and option D black product. Correct option is C color product. Competitive ELISA is used to measure the concentration of an option A antibody, B antigen, C complement, option D virus. Correct option is B antigen. In competitive ELISA, the advantage is high specificity since option A one antibody is used, B 2 antibodies are used, C 5 antibodies are used. Correct option is B 2 antibodies are used. In ELISA, the intensity of color optical density is measured at option A 680 nanometer, B 880 nanometer, C 450 nanometer. Correct option is D 450 nanometer. Sandwich ELISA is used to detect option A antibody, B antigen, C antigen and antibody and option D complement. Correct option is B antigen. Indirect ELISA is used to detect option A antigen, B enzyme, C antibody, option D complement. Correct option is C antibody. Protease inhibitors in Western blot are used for option A. Protein extraction of interest, B. Carbohydrate extraction, C. Lipid extraction, D. Vitamin extraction. Correct option is A. Protein extraction of interest. Direct ELISA is used to detect option A. Antibody, B. Enzyme, C. Antigen, option D. Complement. Correct option is C. Antigen. Thank you for watching my videos.